Grade 3, Unit 1, Lesson 2. Classroom Rules. Today's discovery journey. Part 1. The Super Habits. 6 actions that make our classroom great. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Sit down. Sit down. Be kind. Be kind. Keep your classroom clean. Keep your classroom clean. Don't shout. Don't shout. The action matrix inside actions. Listen, listen. Write, write. Outside actions. Run, run. Leave, leave. The polite request, may I go to the bathroom? The polite request, may I go to the bathroom? Part 2. The sound formula. Decoding the digraph WH. Two-letter, one-sound WH. Wa. Two-letter, one-sound WH. Wa. Sound group 1, the question, words. What? What? When? When? Where? Where? Sound group 2, the object words. Whale, whale. Wheel, wheel. White, white. Journey complete. Ready for homework time? Homework time. Tell us the answers in the comments.